Next up, first hit for Handshake in this, we need to neutralize the criminal leader in your town's name. This criminal leader will be found all the way inside of your town in this huge building over here, the marketplace. There's tons of AI here, and usually upstairs or around the back upstairs, you'll find the leader with a red beret. He's usually on the upstairs. Just keep your eyes open, looking up when you go in there. Otherwise, you might get shot from above. Let's do it. Before we begin, check out maps.techno.co where you'll find this video as well as thousands of others detailing everything you need to know about every quest, each step, and it even rotates based on your faction. Complete quests easier, maps.techno.co, Arena Breakout Infinite, and now Grey Zone Warfare. This one, for some reason, I skipped over, but essentially head towards your town into the marketplace, and inside of here on the second floor, you'll find the target that you're looking for. Essentially, they'll be wearing a red beret. You'll need to get rid of them, and that's it. Just return. It's super simple, relatively dangerous, as there's tons of guards in this area, all around, outside, inside, on the first and second floor, so keep your eyes open, and you should be fine. Alright, so approaching the marketplace here, we'll need to find our way to it, and inside, we'll find who we're looking for. Alright, so approaching this main marketplace here, we'll need to find a way into it, and find our way towards the center. So finding our way in here towards this central building, clearing out all of the bots. Right, well, I've had to make do with what I've got. There's just so many of these people. But making our way into here, on both the first and second floor, we should find this boss eventually. Checking the upstairs, that might be them, but we don't know just yet. Coming back to this far back side, so in there, all the way back here, we find a staircase that we can go up, and they'll probably be right above us, usually where they're sitting. So there's the beret, and there's the other guards nearby. First hit is now technically complete. It's a good idea to loot him, so we'll do that now too. And he has a nice AKM, and that's pretty much it. A ring, a phone, some more bullets, and of course the signature red beret and glasses. I'll take the glasses, I'll take the hat, and now we can go. That's pretty much it. So now we just need to get back and we're done. Alright, so now that we're back at base, we can hand in this quest and there we go. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.